Hello guys, I am unboxing the 28 mochi squishy toys. So here, right? These are the stuffs here. And here is the mochi squishy toys. There are 28 pieces included. Alright? So oh, it's already open. Whatever. Oh, yeah. Alright. So, now. Nice. Alright, so here are some friendly cards. Let's see what they are. You are my sunshine. You are awesome. Think positive. Believe in yourself. You are my hero. And fantastic. There's more. Can I do it? I can do it. You are amazing. You are you are superstar. Keep going. Good job. Excellent. Work hard. Nice work. You are unique. Well done. Be fearless. And you are the best. Go for it. Stay strong. You can do it. Be good to yourself. Be creative. Never give up. Lead the way. Better late than never. Thumbs up. These are all the motivative cards for the squishies, and you better say them every day. Alright, so these are the cards. Let's check. There are some glue dots. So all you have to do, take the glue dot, take the card, take the squishy, and apply it. So that's the glue dots. Now, first comes the bear. Giraffe. Cat. This is crocodile. These toys are really squishy. Next one comes up as heart. Oh, looks like Kaito Naino. Oh, look at the cute honeybee. Look at this. It's a cute teddy bear. And next comes Starry. Ooh, strawberry. And whaley. Rolls in the ocean. And you know paws, right? Dog paws. Puppy, little puppy. Now see. Next comes comes. What is this kid? I don't know. Kind of confusing. He's bunny. Let's zoom. Yay! This guy's real squishy. Next comes grape. At the same rate. Next comes avocado. He is a kiwi. This is, goldfish. It's just like him. Watermelon. I have another copy of him as well. It's really good. Whoa, I never saw this squishy before. It's cute. Next comes the sleepy cat. Really squishy. And next comes penguin. Cutie. Sunstar. Wing, let's fly. Panda, Kung Fu Panda. Kung Fu Panda. It's from there. Sky, he's Cutie Hedgehog. And he is Cutie Iguana. And he is Cutie Dinosaur. Let's open one of these up. Let's open giraffe. See, let's open this one. I've not opened the squishies in a long time. Ugh, these are real sweaty. So this is cat bear. So sweet. Look at him. Cutie. Now let's open. Let's see what's open. Let's open hedgehog. Hedgehog looks. Let's open white. Wingy. Let me wipe this kid. He's too stretchy. Wingy. He has his heart. He flies in wings. Like this. Ooh. Next comes sun. I'll only open these for today because I'll save the rest for later. So these are for later. Next comes grape. Grapes? I have the same copy as him in another squishy tutorial. You may see him later. So he's grapey, cutie. He's so cute, grapes, right? Next comes Bear, Mr. Bear. Please tell me in the comments what his name should be. This guy is so stretchy. It's so squishy. Just like these ones, so squishy. He goes and runs in the office. Next comes hedgehog. So it's kind of hard to open. Next comes hedgehog. Hedgehog, so cute. Sunny. This is the second last one I'm opening. Sorry, but this is the one I'm packing. So here is penguin. Right here. There you go. Need to run away. Cute penguin. He's so cute. Look at his head. He's real stretchy. Lastly, it is giraffe. I'll name giraffe Celestri for now. So, all these squishies are so wet. I don't know why. Alright, so he is giraffe. Alright. giraffe. He's so cute. Look at his squishy head. These are all the squishies I'm opening for this video. Please watch part 2. Alright? Part 2 will come soon. Bye-bye.